Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for a treat, a chicken treat. I am showing you how to make these beautiful ground chicken patties, if you will. They're beautifully flavored with Mediterranean spices, some cumin, some coriander, paprika. It comes together beautifully. I've also marinated this chicken in yogurt as well as lemon juice, which keeps it nice and moist as it broils. It's very quick to make and it's broiled, so keeps it very healthy. You can serve these patties on a bed of beautiful salad vegetables with some vinaigrette, or you can put them in a pita bread with a salad. You can use some white sauce on it, whatever your heart desire. These patties are absolutely delicious. So I hope you'll stick around long enough to see how I put together this absolutely delicious chicken patties. The flavors are just perfect.
Don't be shy, hit the subscribe button and get the printable recipe on our food blog.
Okay, so I have 2 pounds of ground chicken. Next thing I want to do is prepare sort of a marinade that I'm going to be seasoning the chicken with. I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. I have my lime or lemon juice, I should say. I'm going to squeeze it right in here. I'm actually going to use the entire lemon because these aren't as juicy, so about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm going to add my garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh crushed garlic. Sea salt, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon sea salt. You can certainly use kosher. You can adjust it for your diet. I'm using 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. This is 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. You could use any type of paprika that you prefer. Sometimes I use smoked paprika and other times I use hot Hungarian paprika. I'm using 1 teaspoon fresh ground black pepper.
I'm using 1 large red onion grated on the finest side of the grater, and I'm grating it on top of a paper towel.
So the reason I grate the onion in the paper towel, as you could see, the paper towel is kind of wet. You could see the juice is dripping out. I don't want all of that juice in the chicken. I'm going to add in my onion. I have here 1.5 tablespoons. You could go up to 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped oregano. I'm going to give this a good mix. Okay, mix it really well. Okay, now what I want to do is put this all on my chicken, all of it. I like to use my hand. You could certainly put a glove on. You could use a spoon. You want to give it a good thorough mix. It smells beautiful and it's not even cooked yet. I think that's perfect. I'm going to go wash my hands. Okay, so my hands are all washed. Now, you can actually shape these as is right now and broil it, or you can leave it to marinate. I'm actually going to leave this to marinate anywhere from 1 hour to 2 hours. You could also do this overnight. I'm just going to cover with plastic wrap and get it in the refrigerator. Okay. Okay, beautiful people, the chicken ground meat has been marinating, if you will, for just about 1.5 hours. So now what I want to do is shape it. So let me show you how I do that. I'm going to divide these into 8 equal parts. It's like making a chicken patty.
I make the patties by forming a ball and then flattening it into a rectangular shape. It doesn't have to be totally perfect.
I'm going to put this on a sprayed grill pan.
Continue shaping all of the patties and adding them to the grill pan. These patties are about 1/4 inch thick.
You could certainly leave these shaped as a round patty. There you go. Okay, so what I want to do with these patties is just take my fingers and give it a little bit of indentation, if you will. So these are going into the oven now. So once the patties has a nice color on the top and it has a little bit of broiling char, what I want to do is flip it over and have it cook on the second side as well. Now I just want to flip them. They should flip easily. Okay, these are going to go back into the oven. How beautiful do these look? Amazing. Beautiful people, look at these. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to transfer these to a platter. I cooked these for about 6 minutes on the first side, and then I flipped it and cooked it about 4 minutes. So depending on how thick your patties are, it's going to range from about, I would say, 10 minutes total to about 12 minutes. I don't think you need any more time than that. How gorgeous does these look? And they smell incredibly delicious. I can't wait to dig into it. Beautiful people, you all know what time it is, my favorite time of the day, which is taste testing. It's moist, it's cooked through very nicely, has a beautiful char on the outside, giving you that imitation of a grilled piece of chicken. The cumin flavor, the coriander, the fresh oregano, it's just perfect. It stayed nice and moist because of the yogurt as well as lemon juice that was added to it. It acted as a tenderizer. It's so perfect. I do hope that you'll try this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here.
Don't be shy, hit the subscribe button.
Until next time, happy cooking!